Welcome to our full guide on how to send a snap reply on Snapchat. Keep the conversation going with these easy steps. To begin, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Once inside the app, tap on the chat icon at the bottom to access your chats. Next, select the chat where you want to reply to a message. Scroll through the chat until you find the specific message you wish to respond to. After locating the message, tap on it to select it. This will bring up options for actions you can take in response to the message. Look for the Snap Reply option and tap on it to initiate your response. This feature allows you to reply with a photo or video snap. Tap on the capture icon to take a photo or record a video snap as your reply. Add any text, stickers, or filters to personalize your response. Once you're satisfied with your snap reply, tap the send icon to share it with your friend. Your creative response will be sent as a reply to the original message. By following these steps, you can easily send snap replies on Snapchat, enhancing your communication and interaction with friends in a fun and engaging way. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you effectively reply to messages with creative snaps on Snapchat. Enjoy keeping the conversation lively and dynamic with snap replies.